Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best mini table saw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best mini table saw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DeWalt DWE745 table saw. Maximized for accuracy and capacity, this DeWalt DWE 7485 8 1/4 inch table saw includes onboard storage for blade guard assembly, non-through cut riving knife, anti-kickback pulls, blade change wrenches, miter gauge and push stick. The powerful DeWalt 15 amp, 5800 RPM motor allows users to complete a majority of applications. The rack and pinion vents allow for fast, easy adjustments and provides the capacity to rip 4x8 sheet goods. The DWE 745 is ideal for semi-industrial applications and is an ideal choice for contractors. It's sturdy, comfortable and long-lasting. However, you must pay the price for its top quality. In any case, DeWalt is a reputable company that has always delivered. For details, let's watch more. Our second best mini table saw is Huanyu mini table saw. The 6T version of the table saw has an upgraded 885 type high torque motor with a power of 300 watts, a speed of up to 9,000 revolutions per minute, ultra high cutting force and low noise interference. At the same time, it is equipped with 7-level adjustable speed power supply, which can adapt to different cutting speeds by adjusting the speed. It is clearly explained and detailed for your reference. Equipped with a straight edge, a miter gauge and a laser scale plate, which can realize high precision and multi-angle cutting. The integrated steel frame structure and the thickened 5mm aluminum alloy tabletop are durable enough, ensuring a smooth cutting surface and excellent cutting effect. The transparent baffle meets the cutting safety, and the rubber feet at the 4 corners of the bottom are non-slip and shock absorbing. The 110mm special alloy saw blade is high concentricity, which can be raised and lowered by adjusting the screw hole on the table with an Allen wrench. The cutting depth is within the range of 0 to 29mm, allowing you to explore more possibilities in the DIY process. It comes in a compact size but can fulfill a variety of functions. The mini table saw is excellent in cutting, carving, polishing, and drilling. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Dremel 670 Mini Saw. The Dremel 670 Mini Saw attachment, for the Dremel Multi-Pro rotary tool, is a unique attachment that allows cuts through wood like never before. It attaches in seconds and makes clean, straight, perpendicular cuts up to 1/4 inch thick. Used for DIY, hobbies, crafts and modeling. Also cuts through paneling. Dremel 670 offers convenience and functionality at a very affordable price. This mini saw attachment cuts quickly to make straight and perpendicular cuts. This easy-to-use model fits into a rotary tool end. It gives woodworkers the ability to perform thin cuts and small cutting jobs. Ideal for crafts, hobbies, metalworking, and a variety of around-the-house jobs, the 22001 Dremel workstation transforms any Dremel rotary tool into a tabletop drill press. It can be bolted onto your workbench, and has the versatility to operate as a tool holder, flex shaft holder, and drill press. Turn your Dremel rotary tool into a mini plunge router and cut perfect decorative edges, straight slots or route freehand. Plunge feature lets you start your cut in the middle of your workpiece. The handy Dremel detailer's grip attachment is a quick and easy to use extra support for any rotary tool having a threaded nose piece. It transfers the weight of the tool to the palm of your hand for improved tool balance and control. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Rockwell RK7323 Tabletop Saw. The Rockwell BladeRunner X2 portable tabletop saw is the solution to the problem of having to take materials back to the workshop to cut them, and then bring them back to the job site later on. If you're a contractor, you know that process can add an entire day to a project. The BladeRunner is only 15 pounds, so while stable and sturdy, it's easy to toss in the back of the truck. Take this table saw to the job site or move it around the workshop. There's even a built-in carry handle. With the standard guard and riving knife system you can perform rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts. Uses any brand standard 4T shank blade, but we threw 5 in the box to get you started cutting wood, ceramic tile, plastic, aluminum, and metal. With the adjustable gauge you can pull off precise miter cuts for a whole assortment of woodworking projects. When the miter gauge, rip fence, and extra blades aren't in use, they can be conveniently housed in the base of the saw. Prevents accidental starting, plus the vacuum port lets you hook up a shop vac that cleans while you cut. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best mini table saw list is PROXXON Table Saw. The micro-adjustable, precise and stable longitudinal stop provides decisive advantages that corrections even smaller than 0.004 inch can be made after coarse adjustment. The height is adjustable and 45-degree tiltable saw blade makes it possible to cut double miters when used together with the angle stop. Low noise drive using DC special motor with compound belt driver. Ball bearing saw blade shaft. Tungsten tipped saw blade 80 mm by 1.6 mm by 10 mm. Additional workpiece pusher and non-slotted ABS sawing gap cover for tight tolerances between saw blade and table. PROXXON 37070 is the ideal mini table saw for picture framing, model building, birdhouses, dollhouses, and more. This compact machine makes straight, compound, and miter cuts easily. And it can cut through wood, plastic, non-ferrous metals, glass fiber, plexiglass, foam, and reinforced sheets. For details, let's watch more.